Embedded option. What is an embedded option? How do you identify an embedded option? What is the significance of an embedded option? Let's begin with this question, and all of you, the question is to all of you: how will you define the following? What is an optionally convertible debenture? इसका मतलब क्या है? Optionally convertible debenture का मतलब क्या है? पुनीत?
Uh, like convertible to shares at their option at some stage to convert debenture into shares.
So it has an inbuilt option,
It has inbuilt option.
right?
Yeah.
So OCD's optionally convertible debenture has an inbuilt option. Option to whom? Option to the subscriber in this case. And what is the option? The option is he can on a given date he can opt to get the debenture converted into equity share. What about the OCPS? Optionally convertible preference shares. What is the similarity between the OCDs and the OCPS?
The optional conversion is embedded in that also. Same.
That also, right? So the OCPS also has an option which is inbuilt in the instrument itself. That means holder of OCPS can exercise the option to get the OCPS converted into equity share uh, as per the contract, as per the terms of the issue of OCPS. Warrant, same thing. Remember, warrant is what? Warrant is nothing but an option given to the shareholders of subscribing to the shares of the company on a given date. So again, warrant also has an inbuilt option. Putable bond, does it have an inbuilt option, Ankur? Putable bonds. Does putable bond have an inbuilt option?
Inbuilt option to sale.
To sale, correct. It's there.
Yeah, it's literally mean putable means to sell.
Putable
right to sell है सर मेरा कभी भी मैं कंपनी को प्रोड्यूस को सेल कर सकता हूँ वापस.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. That is not an obligation.
That is not an obligation. Callable bond, does it have a inbuilt?
Call back anytime if the rate.
Correct. Correct.
The company can buy back.
And you can also have bonds with both the put option and the call option. So
both the parties have the options.
Both the parties have the option. Now, friends, remember all these examples that we have discussed have built-in options into them. All these instruments that we have discussed, whether it is OCDs or OCPS or warrant or putable bond or callable bond or bonds with both put option and the call option or the perpetual bonds, because remember perpetual bonds invariably are issued with both the options, the call options and the put option. So all these instruments that we have discussed have inbuilt option. So when there is an option built into an instrument, when an option is built into the security, it is known as embedded option. It is known as embedded option. So remember, you can get a question: what is an embedded option? And the four options, one of the option will be that the security has an inbuilt option, either either the call option or the put option. So that will be one answer. And the second three answers can be anything absurd, but of course connected with the finance only. If you have understood what is embedded option, which I am sure you have understood what is an embedded option, embedded, as the name suggests, embedded option means the option is built into the financial security that we are talking about, and that is known as embedded option. So remember, there is a full possibility of you getting a question as to what is an embedded option, and the answer is as we have discussed. Before we move forward, another question: is a compulsorily convertible debenture also an embedded option, Puneet?
I think yes.
Ankur?
Sir, when it is a compulsory convertible, I think that is an obligation. It is not an option.
It is not an option. So when Puneet, when it is compulsorily convertible,
Okay.
there is no option. It is compulsory. So since it is compulsory, there is no embedded option in case of CCDs, compulsorily convertible debenture. So the question can be: is CCD, compulsorily convertible debenture, is it an embedded option? And there will be four answers: yes, no, yes, or whatever, and then you have to give the answer. So remember, it is compulsorily convertible. There is no question of any option. So there is no question of any option. That means compulsorily convertible debenture is not an embedded option. And likewise, compulsorily convertible preference shares. So read it as compulsorily convertible preference shares. Again, there is no embedded option in case of compulsorily convertible preference share, because they will be converted compulsorily. So the holder of the preference share does not have the choice to get them converted into into equity shares. So therefore, CCD and CCPS, compulsorily convertible preference shares, they do not possess any embedded option. So remember, friends, what is embedded option? Embedded option is when an option is built into a financial security. It is referred as embedded option.